In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an account inactive in QuickBooks. This can be especially useful if you're looking to streamline your chart of accounts by removing any unnecessary clutter. Going through the process of making an account inactive can help you maintain a more organized financial system and keeps your focus on the accounts that matter most to your business. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online by typing in qbo.intuit.com in the address bar. If you're not yet logged in, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're signed into QuickBooks, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your business finances. From the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. Here, locate the Transactions section and click on it. As you explore this section, you'll find various tools and features that can aid you in managing your financial transactions. Within this Transactions menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll see a complete list of all accounts currently active in your QuickBooks environment. Now, you may scroll through the displayed list to find the specific account you'd like to make inactive. Once you've located it, note the drop-down menu that appears next to the account name. This is your gateway to a series of options concerning that particular account. Go ahead and click on the drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll see several choices related to account management. To reduce clutter and maintain simplicity, select the option labeled Make Inactive. A new dialog box will appear, asking you to confirm your action. QuickBooks wants to ensure this change aligns with your intentions because making an account inactive can impact your financial records. If you are certain about your decision, click on the button that says Yes, Make Inactive. By doing so, you've removed the account from your active list, thus simplifying your chart of accounts and potentially enhancing the efficiency of your bookkeeping process. Once you've confirmed this action, QuickBooks will display a confirmation message. To finalize the process, click on Got It. This serves as an acknowledgement that the account has been successfully made inactive and helps you to close out this transaction smoothly. And that's it. You've now streamlined your chart of accounts by making an unnecessary account inactive. This not only simplifies your bookkeeping, but also aids in maintaining a cleaner, more organized financial overview. Remember, you can always reactivate accounts if necessary, so feel free to use this feature as part of your regular financial management practices. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in tidying up your QuickBooks environment.